I'm Ethan. I'm 32, live in Austin. For months, I was silently dealing with bad breath, bleeding gums, and this strange taste in my mouth. At work, people kept distance when I talked. Even my girlfriend asked, "Is everything okay with your teeth?" That stung. The dentist said it was early gum disease. The treatments? Too expensive. And I felt completely stuck. One night, I was scrolling Reddit and saw someone mention ProDentim. I clicked, curious but skeptical. I ordered it. Within a few days, things changed, no more bleeding gums, and my breath felt fresh again. By week 3, my girlfriend smiled and said, "Your breath's way better." I was smiling again, a real smile. Now, ProDentim is part of my daily routine. Not because it's trendy, but because it worked. If you're hiding your smile like I was, try ProDentim. It gave me my confidence back. Click on the link given in the description to start your smile transformation today. And don't forget to tap the bell icon beside it and subscribe to our channel for more oral health tips and natural solutions.